What's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you an email marketing tutorial for beginners for 2019 and beyond. So if you're super excited to learn how to kill it with email marketing, definitely give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically right here on the channel. Alright, so with that being said, let's jump right into today's content. So first things first, before we do anything, I gotta tell you why it is that email marketing is gonna be essential for your business. Alright, so first things first, you may already have built a targeted audience on either YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or whatever platform you've used to build that targeted audience. Well, here's the thing. If any one of those platforms go away, it doesn't matter if you have 50,000 followers or 50,000 subscribers or 100,000. If the platform goes away, guess what else goes away? Your business. And you don't want to be put in a position only depending upon a specific platform or dealing with their algorithm changes, and now your content is not even being shown to your audience. Well, the way that we fix that is with email marketing. All right, so first things first, okay, now that we got that out of the way, now I want to show you a couple of providers that you can actually use, and then after I show you the providers, then I'm going to break down, the whole email marketing process and pretty much how it works, all right? All right, so here are some providers, all right? So we're going to start off with what I actually use. I use Getresponse, okay? Now, depending upon the amount of subscribers that you have, you're just going to pay according to that, and pretty much that's how the rest of the ones that I'm going to show you work as well. Like I said, I've been using this for quite a bit now, okay, so this is the one I use. Now, Aweber is another one that you can use, and I'm showing you these because these are a little bit less expensive, and I know if you're watching this video, 9 times out of 10 you're just learning this stuff. So what I would recommend is start out small, and what they do is they give you a free 30 days. So they give you the 30 days for free. Also, Aweber gives you 30 days for free. And then right here, MailChimp is free up to 2,000 subscribers. But here's the thing about MailChimp, okay? Now, the first two that I showed you, Getresponse and Aweber, they're more internet marketing type of autoresponders. Now, when it comes to MailChimp, I've already gotten an account shut down, right? And I believe because it's really restricted when it comes to internet marketing, and I've heard other people say the exact same thing. So if you're gonna use this, be careful. Be careful, because they will shut your account down. I didn't even have my account for 2 days. I kid you not. All right, so those are the ones that I would recommend if you're just getting started with this. It's not going to cost you that much. So let's get into what email marketing is and what has to happen in order for you to take whatever followers that you have or subscribers or whatever. How do you get those people to where you can now control those people the same way Facebook or any of the other platforms is in control of them, right? You want that control. All right, so here's how we do it, guys. All right, first things first, let me go ahead and draw a box. So boom, right? This is pretty much the scenario. So I'm going to draw an A, right? This A, and then I'm going to draw a little T, and I'm going to circle that. All right, so this right here is the audience that you've already built on the platform. Now, if you haven't built an audience yet, definitely get on that, all right? And I got a bunch of videos on here that teach you how to build an audience, right? Whether on a few platforms that I use, so that's a good way to get started. Definitely check those videos out. Like I said, a ton of different videos on the channel. All right, so boom, this is your targeted audience, or not if you haven't, right? Now, what you're gonna do is I'm gonna draw an arrow, and I'm gonna draw another box. Now, the goal is to get these people to a page that solves their problem, Okay. Now let's say, for instance, you build a niche, you build a audience in the affiliate marketing niche. So what do affiliate marketers need? Where an affiliate marketer's job is to drive traffic to an affiliate to their affiliate link, right? Essentially, right? Drive traffic. So what are some things that affiliate marketers are going to want to know how to do? Probably drive traffic, right? Or learn different methods to drive traffic, or learn how to convert their affiliate offers, increase the conversions on their affiliate offers, right? So those are just a few things that an affiliate marketer is going to want to do, right? So what do you put on this page, right? You're going to put something that solves one of those problems. So basically giving them away something for free. So I'm going to put a big F in here for free. Okay, so an example would be, let's say, for instance, you create an ebook, right? How many people, let me know in the comments, how many people have ever downloaded an ebook, right? They put their email in for something, they got it in their email, and then right when they opted in, maybe they sent you to a video saying, hey, thank you for downloading my free cheat sheet, right? It's going to be sent over to you in a few minutes, and then next thing you know, what are they doing, right? They're trying to present you like like pretty much a tripwire offer, something that's real cheap to get you to buy, but they sent you something for free. So some people, they do it that way, where they send you something and then they try to get you on a tripwire offer. And then sometimes people actually just send you your free stuff and they don't sell you initially, they sell you through email. And that's kind of what we're going to be talking about here today. All right, so F, that's something for free. Free video course, free ebook, free cheat sheet. You probably saw me do it here on this channel. I have my massive shredding cheat sheet. That shows you how I lost 40 pounds in 90 days. I also have my free video course, my free video ranking course, which also comes with my free cheat sheet for basically gives you a rundown of my process for ranking videos, right? So that's an example of something that you could actually create depending on the niche that you're in, to get these people to put their email in. And now let's draw another arrow. Now they're going to receive an email from you that's going to be automated. So I'm going to put an A up at the top. Okay, so if anybody that is watching this video has ever put their email in for my video ranking cheat sheet, then you should have gotten an email in your inbox, right? Basically saying, hey, your YouTube cheat sheet is available. That was me formulating an email, right? And then including basically letting you know what to expect while you're on my email list. And that's something that you definitely want to do, but you want to deliver on whatever promise you put on this page right here. Because if you say, oh, I'm going to give you a free cheat sheet, and then you don't never send them anything, you're just trying to sell them, nobody's going to continue to follow you, right? So you want to be honest with your people and follow up on your promises. All right. So boom, right? So over here, we went from the free, now we got the automated message. So this is going to be basically you giving them what it is that as we talked about, you giving them what it is that you promise, right? And then what I do, let me just go ahead and show you what I do, is I either start to send out broadcast emails, or I have like an automated sequence that goes for like 7 to 8 days or 5 days, depending on what's my goal for that email marketing campaign, right? So another thing that I do is I like to separate the days. So I may email them automatically right when they opt in, but then I may skip a day. So it may go day 0, and then I'll go to day 2, right? So there'll be a space in between. Or sometimes I like to alternate and go, okay, I hit them on day 0 exactly when they got it. Then I hit them again the next day, and I may go for a full week of sending them emails because what I'm doing is I'm providing value. I'm letting them get warmed up to me, right? And they're so used to whatever it is that they opted in for, and they see, oh, he's continuing to give me value for free, right? But at the same time, what I'm doing is I'm recommending my product to them, but I'm showing them how my product is going to help solve that problem. So that's what you want to do when you're email marketing. Some people will tell you to sell every single email, and that I'm just going to tell you that's the wrong answer, right? Because if you're selling every email, they're going to be so used to you just, oh, he's just selling me again. Oh, he's sending me another email to sell me. Oh, he's selling me, right? And people get used to it. It's kind of like when people see display ads on Facebook, right? They see it, but it's kind of like blind, like ad blindness, right? They're not really focusing on it no more. So basically, when you're sending out those sales emails and you're not giving any value, that's what's going to happen to your email. They see your name, oh, he's trying to sell me, I'm not opening that email, right? So that's where I think a lot of people that are new, that are using like solo ads and different things like that, I think that's why a lot of people get frustrated when they get all these leads and nobody responds to them, because there was no value given. And then another piece, right? Let me go back. So sometimes when you give this away for free on this page, right, and they enter their email, what you can do to build a relationship specifically for people who run solo ads is right here. You can include a video, right? As soon as you know that it's sending over to them, because you're using an autoresponder. But you can use a video right here, introduce yourself, tell them a little bit more about you, right? So there's a connection built before they even receive that email, right? So that's another way that you can do. So the basis of email marketing is essentially having your audience, giving them away something for free so that you can build your list, then continue to provide value, basically do everything that you were doing on the platform, but now you're just emailing them it, okay? Not so that way you own the audience and not Facebook or not YouTube or not Pinterest, right? You want to own your audience. And that's how you get to the point where you hear some of the gurus and the people who are really, making a lot of money on the internet. You know how they say, push button money, right? When they say, oh, I sent an email out and I made $15,000 or $5,000 or $100 in a day. That's how they do it, because they took their audience, they put it into their email list, they then continue to provide value, and then when they sent out an offer to their list was more willing to buy it because their list trusts them. So that's how you can see some people just get in any company and just go, woo, straight to the top, right? Because they built that relationship. So that's the power of email marketing, okay? And real quick, I just want to show you those, the providers. This is what I use, Getresponse, right? I pay $15 a month, okay? And then Aweber. I think it's a little bit more than that or a little bit less, right? I haven't used Aweber in a while. I actually switched over to Getresponse. And then, like I said, with this, you got to be careful with MailChimp, okay? Definitely got to be careful, all right? Because it seems that there's restrictions on internet marketing if you're in that niche, all right? So hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to not to forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified. And real quick, before you get out of here, down below in the description box, I've left a free lead magnet, right? Something that's going to help you out in the long run when it comes to online marketing, right? So with that being said, definitely catch you in the next video. Peace.